In today's lesson, I will show you how to solve inequalities when you have variable on both sides of the inequality. Okay, so and I will show you different type of solutions that you can have. So example 1 is 3p minus 5 is greater than 2p plus p minus 7. So to be able to solve this, we need to first combine this p. We need to simplify. So 3p minus 5 is greater than 3p minus 7. So in this case, we have 3p and 3p. So what we want to do is to combine all the variables on one side and numbers without variable on one side. So you have 3p, okay, minus 5 greater than 3p minus 7. So we can subtract 3p from both sides. So then to be able to bring this negative 5 to this side, we can add 5 to both sides. Okay, we can add 5 to both sides. So this will reduce to negative 5 plus 5 will be 0. So and 3p minus 3p will be 0, greater than 3p minus 3p is also 0. Okay, but negative 7 plus 5 will be negative 2. So in this case, we have a statement that says 0 greater than negative 2. So to be able to help you, you might want to put this on the number line. Okay. So when you are on the number line, if you are going towards the right, that means your number is becoming bigger and bigger. And if you are going towards the left, that means the number is becoming smaller and smaller. So in this case, so we are told that 0 is greater than negative 2. So that's true. So this is a true statement. So we can say 0 greater than 2 is true. So because solving our inequality leads to a true statement, okay, a true statement. That means for this particular inequality, the solution is all real numbers, okay, all real numbers. That means any real number that you chose, if you plug it into this inequality, it's going to make the inequality to be true. So let's test. So let's assume that our p equals to 1. So that means we have 3 multiplied by 1 minus 5 greater than 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 minus 7. So 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3 minus 5. That will be negative 2, greater than negative 4. Okay, so it's negative 2 greater than negative 4. So you can see again, that's negative 3, negative 4. Yes, negative 2 is definitely bigger than negative 4 because again, as you are going to the left, the numbers are becoming smaller and smaller. So this is true. So what that says is that whatever, so the solution that the all real number solution, all that is telling you is any number, any real number will be a solution to this inequality. Okay. So example 2, we have 3 multiplied by x minus 4. So what you want to do is to simplify. So 3 multiplied by x, that will give us 3s. 3 multiplied by negative 4 will give us negative 12. 2 multiplied by s will be 2s. 2 multiplied by negative 6 will be negative 12. Okay, so now we want to again put all the variables to one side and move all the constant terms into one side. So this 2s, let's move it to the other side. So it will become a negative. So we have to go to have 3s minus 2x greater than or equals to, and this negative 12, let's move it to the right. So it will become positive 12. So this will be negative 12 plus 12. So we have s greater than or equals to 12 minus 12 is basically 0. So what this is telling us is we have 0, we have 1, 2, we have negative 1, negative 2. So the solution is s greater than 0. So that's our solution. Okay, s greater than or equals to, definitely. So to plot that, you want to put a fill circle on the 0, and then you are going towards the right. So that means for this solution, the solution can be 0, 1, 2, 10, 100, 1 million, okay, and so on and so forth. So let's look at example 3. So let's distribute the 1/5 and use it to multiply everything inside the parentheses. So this will give us 4/5m plus 10/5 less than. Okay, so let's simplify this further. So this will become 4/5m. So 5 goes in 10, that is 2. Okay, we want to bring this to the left, so it will become negative. So here we have 4/5m minus 4/5m. Okay, then this positive 2, we want to bring it to the right, so it will become a negative 2. It's less than, we have positive 1, so if we bring this 2 to the right, it's going to become negative 2. So in that case, we have 0. So because 4/5m minus another 4/5m will just give you a 0. Less than 1 minus 2, that will give you a negative 1. So this again says 0 is less than negative 1. So let's graph the number line. Okay, so again, as you are going towards the right, okay, as you are going towards this right, the number is becoming bigger and bigger. And then as you are going towards the left, the number are becoming smaller and smaller. Okay, so that means 0 is bigger than negative 1. So this is false. So because we have a false statement, okay, the solution will be no solution. Okay, no solution. So for this particular inequality, there is no real number that can satisfy this inequality. Okay, so you can pick 1, you can pick 2, you can pick 10. So, and I give you that as your assignment. So pick any number, use it, substitute it for m in this inequality, and prove to yourself that this actually has no solution. Thank you.